Live!
He don't establish that.
Hi guys, we're playing all of my friends.
Apparently he can get, beanstalk seed,
Yes.
right?
Where's Dadam? Today we're playing with Dadam and then everyone.
I just want to play Dandy's World. It's the most popular game right now. I mean, like, second popular game. Right?
Oh, my bug
There's a
egg.
gold. Oh, wait. No, wait. There's a rainbow. There's a rainbow.
I got a big rainbow one.
Cherries, yes.
I'm selling my big rainbow.
Sorry, I got my remote. They won't give me any.
Oh, I'm hatching my bug egg.
If we play Dandy's World after this, I'm gonna be so happy.
Yo, this is color.
I saw somebody.
I'm so happy about my farm.
I saw somebody just make a video of Dandy just sitting there, and then it got to like 100.
I hope you.
views.
I hope you comment
I hope if I pick up a
and you
video,
share
oh my god,
and then like this video.
you don't have to beg.
No, they don't like. I have to say that.
Why?
Because so they can like.
But it's not important.
It's important. I wanna be a YouTuber.
Oh.
I hope you like this, guys.
And I hope you really don't. Oh my god. Big mango. Yay!
Guys, I hope you like. I'm so afraid.
How is that banana?
I got cactus.
Cry! Oh.
Give me my
Gold
flowers.
fox. I have a gold lila.
Getting all I got.
Look. Lila.
Guys,
I'm gonna crush
I
it.
hope you like it.
Oh. Oh yeah, Dadam is here by the way. He just can't talk.
I will end this with my friends.
Short.
Yeah, now let's
Go
go
Garden
and
and
let's go see it. Bye bye guys. We're gonna end this video. Bye bye.
Shortest video in the world.